Hello, today I will unbox and fill printer with ink. The package includes printer, power cable, quick manual and ink. Remove all stickers from the device. Refilling the printer with ink. Now turn on the printer. Press the far right button on the printer for 5 seconds to start filling the ink into the print head. The light should flash. This is a sign that the print head is filling with ink. This takes about 10 minutes. When the flashing stops, the device is ready. To print a test page, press and hold the power and stop buttons at the same time, as shown in the video. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.